Jai Sriman-Narayana. 47th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yoginamapi sarvesham madgatena antaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yo mam same yuktatamo mataha. Om. Fix your mind on Sri Krishna Paramatma. Realize your complete dependence on Sri Krishna Paramatma. Strive to attain Sri Krishna Paramatma. Serve Sri Krishna Paramatma with all devotion. Meditate on Sri Krishna Paramatma as the Supreme, because Krishna Paramatma feels the one who does all of this is only the most integrated one, but none others. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall fix my mind on you. I shall realize my dependence on you. I shall strive to attain you. I shall serve you with all my devotion. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall meditate on you. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you only. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 6th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Dosha is a Vasu. His wife is Sarvari. They got one son, his name is Sisumara. Sisumaro Hareh Kala. Sisumara has a spark of Sriman Narayana. And then Vastu, His wife is Angirasi. They got a son whose name is Vishwakarma, a great sculptor. He is the one who became husband of Akruti, and they gave a birth to Chakshusha Manu. That Manu's children are known as Vishwadeva Sadhyas. And then Vibhavasu, his wife is Vusha. They got 3 sons, Vyushta, Rochisha, Atapa. From Atapa, their Panchayamas born. Because of that Panchayamas, all the souls are able to do their duties. And then Bhuta, his wife is Sarupa. They got Rudras as their sons. Out of all the Rudras, Raivata, Aja, Bhava, Bhima, Vama, Vugra, Vrishakapi, Ajaikapada, Ahirbadhna, Bahurupa, Mahana. They are Ekadasa Rudras, 11 Rudras. They are main Rudras out of all the Rudras. And then there is another wife for Bhuta. From her, he got Bhuta Pisachas. And then Angirasa, his wife is Svadha Sati. Svadha got all the Pitrudevatas as her children. And then Sati, she became the mother of Adharva Angirasa Veda. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 47th sloka. Yoginam api sarvesham madgate nantaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yo mam same yuktatamo mataha. Yoginam api sarvesham madgate nantaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yo mam same yuktatamo mataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.